Hey guys, PenguinEsk here, and I'm back with another video. And in today's video, I'm going to give my final thoughts and evaluations or whatever on Huevember. So if you didn't know, Huevember is basically where you draw in a single color for the month of November, and there is an official prompt wheel thing for 31 days. But I'm not that bitch, so I decided to make my own wheel, and here it is. And with my own wheel, I only have 14 days, and I picked a lot less saturated colors than the original wheel, so I could, have fun with it and all of that. And with, I guess making the wheel and doing all of the arts for Huevember, I wanted to do my OCs and I wanted to do outfits for them, and I think one or two of them do not have specific outfits. It's more of the face, but yeah, that's basically what I have been doing for Huevember. And yeah, on to my final thoughts. It was super fun restricting myself with less color, because I figured out that I need to work on how to shade clothes. I figured out that I am, not the best at shading or actual coloring. And that's something I need to work on, and that's basically what I found out with just using the same hue of colors. But I think a lot of my pieces came out really well. Towards the end, you can see I got kind of lazy. These last four aren't my best, and yeah, especially the last two I hate. Not that I hate them, I feel like I could have done better, but I feel like if I were to try harder, or if I had more time, I don't know. I just feel like I could have done more if I didn't feel like I was rushing to finish. And I did feel a little rushed to finish just because I wanted to finish it before Thanksgiving so I can relax and eat all the foods and all of that. But yeah, I think this is a fun challenge for you guys to participate in if you decide to participate in it. I do highly recommend making your own wheel for Huevember, whether it's doing less days like I did or doing the 31 days. But yeah, I feel like you guys should make your own wheel, because those bright saturated colors, I don't think they're for everybody. So yeah, I had fun. I probably won't do this next year. I might, but we'll see how that goes. And yeah, this video's coming to its end, and I hope you enjoyed coming on this journey of Huevember with me, and I hope you guys stick around for the long haul of, the artsy videos that come every Friday. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and all of that. Yeah. Bye guys.